Good afternoon and welcome to PPP Systems Limited. The assembly roller is supplied partially disassembled. There should be 6 items. 1. A roller block with 2 rollers. 2. A feed platen. 3. A roller handle. 4. Roller adjusting knobs. 5. Alignment pins with bolts and washers. 6. Allen keys. When assembled, the unit should look like this. Let us take a look at putting the components of the assembly roller together. Place the roller block with its outside edge face down, ensuring the flange is sitting over the edge of the bench. Remove 4 screws that secure the feed platen. There are 2 at either end of the block. Let us fit the feed platen to the roller block. There are 4 holes in the platen that should align with the 4 holes in the block. The holes should be 8 mm in diameter, otherwise it will be difficult to fit and the bolts or screw threads in the block may be damaged. The fitting can be difficult and usually requires the use of a mallet or cushioned hammer to tap the platen into place. Focus on one side at a time until the holes align correctly. Now fit the screws previously removed from the roller block. Use fingers only to put them near enough all the way in. Do not force the screws with an Allen key. Once those are in place, go to the other side and again use a mallet to tap the platen until the holes align. Do not force the screws as this will damage the screw threads. Once all 4 screws are finger tight, tighten them with an Allen key. Let us fit the alignment pins that help assemble a number plate. There are 6 of them and each pin has a bolt, a spring washer and a flat washer. The spring washer goes onto the bolt first, followed by the flat washer. Insert each bolt through the holes from the underside of the platen. Now screw each pin by hand to finger tightness from the top side of the platen onto each bolt. Finally tighten all of the bolts from the underside with an Allen key. Now let us fit the 2 knobs for adjusting the rollers. Each is secured to the adjustment shank with 2 screws. Align one of the screws with the hole in the shank. Slide the knob down and tighten the screw into the hole. Tighten the second screw against the shank. Then repeat this process to fit the second knob. Let us now fit the roller handle by sliding it onto the roller spindle and tightening with an Allen key. Here we have the completed assembly roller. Now place a blank number plate into the rollers. Adjust the 2 knobs clockwise, looking for even pressure upon either side of the plate. Adjust the locking nuts anti-clockwise to secure the knobs in place, and we are ready to go. I hope this has been useful and thank you for your time today.